Hey everyone, Mark here, and I'm just excited to be in northern Italy with Nicola Pignatelli, who's the CEO of SCM Frigo, one of the global players working in natural refrigerants, and been doing that now for how many, 15 years, 20 years?
Yes,
15?
more, almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years, so a really global footprint. And Nicola's going to tell us a little bit about the production facility that I've had the opportunity to visit today. I've rarely seen such a large facility. You've got 10,000 meters squared, right, of production?
Yes, 10,000 production, and we have 2,000 square meters for offices and Bear Academy.
And the academy, yeah. So you're actually training people,
Yes.
not just people who are working on your systems, but also outside, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. We train people, we train engineers, field engineers especially, but our academies are open also to engineers of notified body as well.
Okay. And right behind us, we got an industrial system, right? An industrial CO2 rack, right? So you've got several different lines, correct, in this production facility?
We have a couple of lines of condensing unit, CO2 condensing unit. We have a line of chillers. Then we have a couple of lines of we call commercial racks, boosters, transcritical. And then we have a line for industrial booster. And very soon we will have a bigger line for iBooster.
iBooster. Tell us about what's this iBooster.
It's a complete dedicated product for big logistics and industrial process unit with only compressor with a large swept volume. So the latest big compressor produced for refrigeration, we can arrive to up to 1.5 megawatts.
1.5 megawatts.
In refrigeration, yes.
And these units that you're manufacturing here, including the future iBooster, will they be shipped around the world, or are they focused mostly on the European region?
Absolutely. We fortunately deliver to all the world. We are strong in Europe, of course. Is our main area, but we've developed sales also in South America, in APAC, Australia, New Zealand. So I would say all around, Mark.
Okay. And then, so you're expanding the facility, right?
Yes.
So you've already you opened this 2 years ago, not even 2 years ago, and you're already expanding.
It's already 2 years. It's unbelievable.
You've already run out of space.
Yes, but we are going to expand this with a new warehouse. This production gave real effect last 3-4 months in 2022 and now this year, because the shortage was affecting a little bit our efficiency. But this year we can see we will probably produce more than 2,200 units. It means 50% more than 2020, which was the last year we made in the old plants.
So over 2,000 units this year?
Yes.
That's something that we can publicly share, CO2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to get in trouble for publishing this.
Do that.
Okay, right. Good. And so this warehousing, you're going to be building another building next door so that you can
in front
store all the key components to make sure that your lead times are improved, correct?
Yes, correct, because we want also to expand the lines. We need another 2 lines. Very, very soon we need another 2 lines because the request is increasing very much.
Okay, so this is where I'm not allowed to say what those new 2 lines are, but can you say one of them, or can you not?
One of them is the industrial booster.
The iBooster. The iBooster. And then there's another line that you can't talk about yet. It's a new development that we're not allowed to talk about yet.
Absolutely.
But basically this is where you say, watch this space, right? And what I've heard, potentially, is it's very exciting.
Yeah.
So great stuff for natural refrigerants world.
Only natural refrigerants.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. So thanks, Nicola, for taking the time.
Thank you, Mark, for being here.
Ciao, everyone.